This isn't just a simple car wash. Maintaining a collection of this caliber requires extreme precision, using diamond-infused waxes and bespoke products that cost more than a standard vehicle. Depending on how often these machines hit the road, fuel costs can climb fast. With this much horsepower, replacing tires becomes part of the real cost. Every key in this collection comes with a serious insurance bill. Keeping a collection like this running is one of the biggest hidden costs.